In this video I will show you how to resolve the issue mouse is moving on its own. Okay, so two ways to fix this problem. In the first method, press window plus R button together and type in main.cpl. okay, this will open the mouse setting. Now once you are on a mouse setting, you need to click on this option pointer options. Click on this and uncheck this option which says hide pointer while typing. Uncheck this option, click on apply, click on OK, and then check if your issue is solved or not. Additionally, you can press again window plus R button main .cpl, and we can adjust the mouse cursor speed. Go to pointer options, then you can choose the option fast or slow. Okay, you can slow it or you can fast it. If this option is still not working, we can move to the second method. In the second method, we can go to the device manager and update the mouse driver. So how we can do that? Press window plus R button together, type at dev mgmt.msc to open device manager, or you can directly go to search and then type device manager. Once you are on a device manager, you need to click on this option mice and other pointing devices. Expand the option, right click on the driver and click on update search automatically. For this option, you need to make sure you are connected with the network. Okay, choose other option, update this option as well, close this option. If updating is not working on your Windows, you can right click on that and you can click on uninstall. Click on uninstall this device and do the same with this option as well. Uninstall it, uninstall this device, and after uninstalling this device, you need to restart your system. Okay, you need to restart your system. Your issue should be fixed. If you have updated the Windows driver, so you can roll back it. So right click on the start menu. Okay, you will see device manager. Again, go to the same tab, right click on that, go to properties, this time driver. Okay, and click on rollback driver. Choose whatever option you like, click on yes, and then your driver will be roll back. Close this option. Okay, after rolling back your driver, you need to restart your system, so hit restart. So hope your issue is fixed now with this video. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.